from one BFF to another. Sa mga pinakamalalakas yung connection, yung vibe nila sa isa't isa, syempre ang Kai Rain. Sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Grabe yung closest nyo sa loob, pero kamusta kaya sa labas ng bahay?
How it was inside this house, it's still like that in the outside world.
Mas marami ng
Limited.
chismis na parang, I'm like, you have chika, okay. And then like, okay, bro, don't tell anyone. Mga like that now.
Pakaganda. And ngayon, nasa tabi natin, this is the box of memories. Kai and Rain, pwede na nabuksan to.
Ano yan? Oh! What is that, guys? Yoy!
It's the pen! It's our drawings, our illustration.
Usapan muna natin, ano ba yung mga drawing na nakita natin dito?
Kuya asked us to draw our best friend.
Yeah.
Tapos I drew her very well. Ito talaga exactly what she wore during that day. Ito yung buhok niya.
Ako din. I drew her very well din. Nag-write din ako ng things she likes para mapakita ko sa world na kilala ko yung best friend ko. Huh.
Yo. At ito ang ilan sa mga moments na ating babalikan para ma-reminisce at makita natin kung gaano nga ba katatag ang Kai Rain. Let's watch this.
Ang matalik na magkaibigan, komportable na sa isa't isa.
Ew! Ray!
Not yet.
Disgusting! Let's go. Sabay ta. Oh my! Parang barko!
Grabe naman ang pagiging komportable mo, Rain. Sa linggo ng BFF, sinubok ang tibay ng pagkakaibigan ni Kai at Rain sa pagharap nila sa mga hamon.
Put your both arms in front. Tapos, fist. Up and down. No, but your wrist. Wrist. Yeah. Kasi,
Sira yung motor! Kaya, you are giving your 10K to your tito. Tita? Cousin? Kasi sira yung motor niya.
Tama.
Do the thing that I do in the play.
Mama.
Oo, mama ka. Put your hand inside your pocket.
Oh.
Put it out.
Bigay mo yung 10K
Oo.
sa mama mo.
Oo, kasi...
Kasi wala na siyang mabigay sa'yo.
Hindi! Hindi sa akin!
Time's up.
The phrase was, bayaran ang utang ng nanay.
At bago nila harapin ang trick shot challenge, ipinakita nilang handa silang magsakripisyo para sa isa't isa.
What do you think? I think you should have it kasi my cousins, they have a dad providing for them. And your mom, she's providing for herself.
Kasi, if I were to describe both of us individually and together, we're both very technical people. For me, hindi kami nagtitiwala sa parang nakakaawa ka naman and therefore I should feel pity to you. No, don't feel pity for me, I don't feel pity for you. Dapat, it's fair. If it makes sense, it's technical, edi yun yung panindigan namin, kuya. And I guess that's what strengthened our relationship more kasi there's a great balance of putting ourselves first and also enjoying our time together as best friends.
Yeah. Well said.
Thank you.
We got it, Rain!
You got this, Rain.
Kai at Rain, ang inyong trick shot challenge ay magsisimula in 3, 2, 1, go.
Go. First try.
I'm so thankful na nakilala ko si Kai in your house, kuya, kasi talagang nag-enjoy ako dito while getting to improve myself and grow here. Wait, stop ba? So I've grown so much po as a person in your house po, kuya. And having Kai by my side po, kuya. It was nice po kasi there are times na parang gulong-gulo ako, kuya. Like nahihirapan ako. Like, I don't know how to understand my feelings na hindi ko na maintindihan bakit ganito, bakit ganyan. So having Kai po by my side is malaki pong help. Kasi help niya po akong understand yung situation, ganun. And stuff like that. And, yun po, aside from fun, it's just nice po to have someone to care and love you as a friend. And it was great po.
Lego, it's actually possible. God just said it has to be for a few more tries.
1, 2, 3, go. Nag-trick shot task po, kuya. Doon po talaga nag-deepen yung friendship po namin. Parang, we can understand to that extent pala. Doon ko din nakita yung kalawakan ng understanding namin for situations po na nailalatag po sa harap namin.
That was the task, kuya, na I felt the most vulnerable. Mas nag-deepen pa talaga yung friendship namin as best friends. Kasi, not all friends, kuya, talk about those deepest problems that you have in life. Ito, kuya, mas lumalim pa talaga. Talagang I felt that our bond had gotten deeper and better.